folks, Ben here from Red Valley Outdoors, and I'm in Wales. As you can see, these mountains behind me, this is Lyn Y Fan Fach, and we're going to go and do some wild camping. And the plan is, me and Luke here, he's sorting his back out over there, we're going to get up on the right hand side of this lake, over there, come all the way around the ridge and the hills behind us, come down the other side of the lake, and then camp just on the shores of that, break camp in the morning and head back down to the car park. We've just done about 1 kilometre from the car park up to here, just getting the bags warmed in, getting the legs warmed up, and now begins the real fun. So we're going to head off up there somewhere and try not to get lost. We've left it a bit late, so the light's actually failing us already. We should be coming back down the other side pretty dark, I reckon, by about 10 at night. So you know, we'll see how we get on. Anyway, off we go.
Look at that. So this is the peak. There's actually 3 peaks up here in this whole walk. We're not going to do all of them. We're going to stop here and then go back down round and pitch a tent down there somewhere. I can't remember what this is called, this peak. Lyn Y Fan Fach actually refers to the lake at the bottom, which I think in Welsh means Lake of the Small Hill, which I think is unfair and a bit misleading because my legs are killing me. But that's why we came up here to look at that. Being up the mountains, it's not like anywhere else. It's beautiful. It's quiet.
Oh, so we made it back down the other side. That was quite steep, actually. Some pretty hefty drops off if you put a foot wrong. We've got the tent set up. Luke is just up there. The lake's just over in that direction. The sun's setting. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning, beautiful and quiet. Just the sheep, the ravens, occasionally the piercing cry of a brown buzzard, but nothing else. So we're gonna share a little beer in a minute. Got one each. And we're gonna get some food on. Just got a little Coleman type stove, little gas thing. Get some grub, and then settle in for the evening. Yeah, I'll catch in with you guys maybe a bit later. If it's not too dark, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, man. Oh. It's a pretty awesome walk, wasn't it? Yeah. That was cool. Yeah, that's that one conquered. Yeah, man. I'm glad we picked this place as well. It's like further away off the beaten track. It's like one of the far western points of the Brecon Beacons, yeah.
On the edge of it, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. It's Carmarthenshire, isn't it?
Yeah.
And, yeah, what
I thought it was like a coastal.
Yeah, I thought it was. I thought it was that like that, but yeah, shows my geography is rubbish. Like, so the lake down there has a little myth attached to it that a lady once appeared from the lake, and a local boy married her, as you do, without thinking twice about the fact that she's just emerged from the water. You know, didn't bat an eyelid. And with her, strangely enough, she bought this like local herd of cattle that is only bred round here somewhere. And he married her, and the deal was that he couldn't hit her 3 times. If he hit her 3 times, struck her, she would leave. And they were happy, and over the years went past and that. Like she laughed at a funeral once, and he gave her a little slap and told her not to, and I don't know, she was choking or something. Next one. Anyway, over the years, 3 such strikes happened, and she returned. That was it. Sorry, I'm off, mate. Returned back to the lake, and took all of her cows with her. And then it gets a bit odd, because like after that there was 2 other brothers that sort of previously aren't mentioned, and then they, I don't know, they go off to be doctors or something, and yeah, it's all a bit odd. I think
What, kids?
Yeah, there's like 2 other brothers of the guy that she married.
Oh, I see.
Go off and become, I don't know, like doctors or something. Yeah, a very strange folk tale.
It's a weird lake to be going out of as well.
I know.
It's a bit
Yeah, it's
remote.
Yeah, yeah. Not a lot up here. You can't imagine too many houses being around it.
No.
Can't drink. Do a little cook up in a bit.
Yep.
You hungry?
Yep.
Yep.
Starved me.
Yeah. So this is going to be me here for the night. Yeah, look. Mountain that. It's a 4-season bag and a little inflatable couch. Lucas going to check that bag out. Look. That's some tasty gear. Look in there. So, got his trim mounting mat. There's trim matching tent, the matching colours and that.
They're no longer imported.
Yeah, you can't get any more. This is going to be us. What a place to have a little camp. Beautiful, Bernard. Folks, just gone about 7:30. Had a wonderful night's sleep. It was so quiet, absolutely gorgeous. Oh. What a view! Check this out. So, I'm just going to head down to the lake over there and see if I can do some washing up. And you guys can come with me if you like. Right then, done the washing up, got some fresh water. I'm going to go and boil that, and just enough to make a coffee. Then we better think about breaking camp and getting out of here, but I'm going to have some breakfast first and a coffee. Get back up there. See you in a bit. Oh, man. So, got a little brew on, got some porridge. I think he's got his little pot of porridge. Just gonna, just gonna get this down us really. Enjoy the view for a bit more. Break camp and head back down to the car park. That's, don't know, got to be at least a kilometre in that direction. And, yeah, man. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it. Not the usual, not as gourmet as normal, but nice to be out and about. Just love this area. Always have done. It's a beautiful place. I'm going to do a bit more of this in the future, getting out. So yeah, take care. That's me, Ben from Red Valley Outdoors. See you later.